As I was saying in the previous part, um, what I'm going to attempt to do, is to untangle these roots. You can see that they may not be like fused together, but they're more like tangled, and so that pretty much is a sign of one, that the container is small, too small to let the plant grow normally, um, but also a sign that uh, things may not be looking very good for the plant itself, and so you want to kind of free up the roots and let them grow, um, let them spread out. One of the key things that I really wanted to note about this particular species is notice how thick this feels, the root, straight from uh, when this just germinated. uh, it seems very thick and healthy, pretty nice, and this some tapping out from here, but it actually proceeded to grow straight, and then started diverging out into these small roots here. So what I'm gonna try to do is to keep the soil surface about here, or maybe even here, and then let everything else go under. In terms of height, unfortunately, these are not much different, but I'm going to try to fill this up as much as possible, and keep as much of the sapling from this point on down in the soil as possible. Uh, all right, so let's gently start untangling this, and of course, if some of the roots snap, the smaller ones here, I already untangled this part. If some of them snap, it's okay. Of course, the key is to not just be too rough, but gently untangling it. um, I'm going to also even look into probably cutting some of these darker looking roots. Maybe this is not that dark, but this some of these are, they almost feel like they've stagnated in excess water. So I'm gonna have to take a look as I continue to untangle. This one seems a little too stuck. Some Well, the single hand, it's going to be hard to do this, so I'm going to just pause in a bit. Just wanted to make sure I uncover different aspects of this challenge. um, and also, as I pick this up, I can see, I mean, you can see that there's the main root, which is thick and continuing from here. It's still pretty healthy, not going straight enough, but that's because there's not enough height. So I'm gonna have to find something which is deeper, or just buried in the soil. But I've also seen other growers have the other growers are able to persist until the sapling has grown much taller. So I'm gonna try for another 3 months and see what's going on, and then decide uh, either to buy or have a different container, taller container, if you will, or probably donate it to somebody, I guess. Just that I don't have any room here. It's a concrete jungle, pretty much. All right, so I'll just pause at this point, and I will update once I have the untangle completed. It's almost around there, just that little bit, and also going to trim off some of the darker rotting roots, if there are any. There seem to be a few, but nothing serious. It looks pretty healthy so far as I can say. All right, see you.